again.
This works pretty good.
Thought you said it was broken.
It is broken. Oh, now it wants to work.
Get a little clip in there, shot.
No.
Okay, so look, we're going to fuel injection. Okay, fuel system, injector, signature test.
Yeah.
Okay, it's going to tell you what to hook up to. So the yellow lead, put this on the yellow lead. Take your alligator clip or your bed of nails. Look here what it says. Injector control, okay? So injector control, on the injector, you're gonna have one pink wire on it. Every injector has a pink wire, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
That's the control.
That's the 12 volts, okay? The control is the other wire. So you want to tap into the other wire on whichever injector you want. Make sure the bed of nails gets into it.
So I was right. The one I was holding was the...
The control is the one that the computer turns on and off. Gives it a ground, takes ground away. The other ones have 12 volts on them. The moment the key's turned on, it's fused. Okay? Then you're going to hook that to that. Okay? Start the car up. Hit view meter. There it is. Okay? Now, when this drops off down to 0, what's that mean? What's happening there?
It's being turned on.
Yeah, the computer's giving it a ground. Okay? And it's on for by about 4.5 to 8 milliseconds. Yeah, 8 milliseconds.
Yeah, like
How many milliseconds is that on for?
3.5 seconds. 3.5 milliseconds.
2.5. No, I'm sorry, yeah, 3.5. Sorry, 3.5 milliseconds. Then it spikes way up here. What's happening here? Well, that is an induction of voltage, but why do we get that? Why did that happen?
The magnetic field that didn't collapse.
Right, but what caused that magnetic field to collapse?
Being shut off.
Yeah, the ground being taken away from it. The computer shutting the injector off. Okay? This is your electrical signal for your fuel injector. All right? Electrical signal's good. Now, the mechanical signal will be the amp clamp. Okay? So, we hook our amp clamp up. We're going to go to the second channel, piggyback our ground here. Okay? Turn on our channel right here by hitting that little eyeball. Okay? And we want to change the probe to low amps. Okay? Turn our amp clamp on. Zero it. Now you need to clamp that around that same wire you went into with the bed of nails. Okay?
They're going to be placed that way, right?
On?
Yep.
Okay. Now. Okay. Now you see your amp ramp?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now notice, when does the amperage start to ramp up? The same moment it's turned on, right? When it gives it a ground. Notice when does amperage go away?
It's turned off.
Yeah, that same moment they take that ground away and we get that huge voltage spike. Okay? What is this little jaunt right here?
It's called the goal, I know that.
That's right. It's called the goal. What does that tell us? Anybody? 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 That's the moment, that's the exact moment that injector is fully open. Okay? Because when you give it that magnetic field and that little pintle is metal in there, magnetic field pulls it open. That's the moment it slams all the way open. Okay? That's why you get that little goal in there. Alright? That goal is a mechanical diagnostic tool for you. Depending upon where it's placed, if it's way down low down here, what does that tell you?
It's opening too fast.
Injector's opening up too soon. Telling me the injector's weak, the spring in the injector's weak. Okay? If it opens up way up here, what's that tell me? Too late, meaning it's sticking most likely. Probably because it's dirty. Okay? Alright, so this tells us a lot mechanically about that injector. Alright?
What's that little guy?
That's just interference. This is that 70 plus volts oscillating off and back feeding through. Okay? It has to go somewhere. That's why you get this little downward slant and all this. No, I can filter it out if you don't like it.
Oh no, it's fine.
There you go.
No, he's still there.
A little bit, yeah. You guys feel good about doing this now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright. What you need to do is shut the car off, unhook everything, and try it on your own.
Okay.